crawfish. HEB is making crawfish. And here is their pot. This is their cooking crawfish. This is shrimp. Okay, there's crawfish.
$37.80.
Texas beer. Go with Texas crawfish. It's excellent. Cooking filet mignon steak. Here has some rosemary we grow in our backyard. Season the filet mignon with the Cajun seasoning. Each side going to cook for 2.5 minutes. Then put in oven at 350. Now it's 265. So when it's 350, put it in each side for another 2.5 minutes, and should have medium rare filet mignon. This side already cooked 2.5 minutes, so I'm cooking another side. When you cook the steak, just put it over there. No need to move this steaks around. Cook some asparagus to go with the steak. Steaks are ready. Perfect medium rare. Go with homemade spaghetti and Texas wine. A wonderful life. Thanks for watching.